Hi guys! Today I'll give you a little tutorial on how you can make your own cinematic clips in BeamNG Drive. You don't need any mods to make it work. For today's video, I'd like to make a cinematic video where a camera follows the car while driving through busy traffic on this Japanese highway. If you want to learn how to set up this kind of scenario, you should check out my YouTube channel for the tutorial. Let's get into it. First of all, you have to make sure to open the recorder UI, like the one in the top right. Then you're going to press record and start driving. We'll worry about all the camera angles later. So when you press record, you can always play it back, change camera angles and other sorts of stuff. I'll keep the full recording in the video, so enjoy the run or skip to the next part, your choice. Here we are! So what you want to do now that your run is done is stop the recording, and then it'll take you back to the beginning where you started the recording. From here, you can press play to watch it back. To make the cinematic angles, you'll have to press F11 to open the world editor. In here, you have to find Camera Path Editor and click it. In this menu, you gotta click New to make a new camera path. Then, you gotta select the recording that you just made of your driving. When you found your clip, you have to move the camera to where you'd like the first shot to be. I like to also change my FOV to around 40. Now I'm at the spot I want for the first angle, and I'll click Add Marker. These markers are tied to where in the recording you are, and here I'm at 0 seconds. For the next angle, you'll have to press one of these buttons or play the video. Then you'll see the car move exactly like in your recording. To get the next angle, you'll have to catch back up to the car and press Add Marker again. And that's basically how it works. I'll show you the entirety of me doing it to this clip to give you a better idea of how it works. Stay tuned for the end result. If you're watching this, I presume that you really want to learn how to do this, so I'll give you a couple extra tips. When you're adding these keyframes, it's very important to find a middle ground between control and smoothness. The longer between keyframes, the smoother the camera's movements will be, but it makes it harder to control where the camera moves in between keyframes. And also make sure that your camera path doesn't collide with objects. The blue line you see here is the path of the camera, so keep that away from cars and walls and stuff. There you have it! We made it through all 112 seconds. When you've done all of this, you can press play, and then you'll see everything you just did come to life. If you're not entirely satisfied with your result and don't want to do it all over, you can press either of these two buttons to either smoothen out the camera movements or relax the timings of the key points. It can make a pretty huge difference. I'll show you what I just made, and you're welcome to keep watching. I'm still pretty new to this, so don't judge me too much. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you'd like to see more tutorials or videos in general, please like and subscribe. See you next time.